What's up, YouTube? Christopher Ramirez coming at you with a video about linked profits. Okay, and all I could say is anything related to another form of marketing on another type of social media, I'm all a go for. Okay, definitely do update your knowledge base on another social media as opposed to like Facebook and YouTube, like the two main top ones that everybody's fishing on. Okay, so yeah, definitely do check it out. Go back to that email and pick it up. And if you don't like the course, you can always get a refund. More than likely, there is a refund policy in place with the creators of Linked Profits. Okay, now that you made it to this part of the video, I would like for you to go ahead and like this video. Greatly appreciate it. Support the channel and subscribe. Okay, and there'll be a link in the description on exactly what I'm doing. Go ahead, hit me up on Facebook, message me on Facebook. That link will be in the description, guys, to see what it is that I'm up to get you going if you are interested in exactly what I'm doing to generate an income. Okay, guys, by all means, message me on Facebook. The link's right there. It says message me on Facebook. If you can't wait for me to get back with you on Facebook, go ahead, get on the list. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.